auto-subtitle your YouTube videos using AI. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to auto-subtitle your YouTube videos. So stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how to download your video with those subtitles ready to go. All right, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your mobile or PC. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It's free. Once you're in, tap on Create New Project. Now go ahead and upload your video. This can be a full YouTube video or even a short. Once your video is uploaded and appears on the timeline, click on it to make sure it's selected. Now look at the bottom menu bar and tap Text. Then choose Auto-Captions. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose the language of the video. For most people, it'll be English, but you can pick from tons of options. Under that, you can select the Captions templates. Then just click Generate. CapCut will now scan your entire video and automatically generate subtitles. This usually takes less than a minute, depending on the length of your video. Once it's done, you'll see the subtitles appear right on your video preview and in the timeline. You can scroll through and double-click on any caption to edit the text if it made a mistake, like spelling your name wrong or mishearing a word. If everything looks good, it's time to export. Click the Export button at the top right. CapCut will process the video and give you a downloadable file with the subtitles burned in. And that's how you can auto-subtitle your YouTube videos using AI. Now you've got a fully captioned video, ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you post content. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple creator tutorials. Thanks for watching.